So many of us need to know on how you can divide your local disk C, and in this video I'm going to show you on how you can easily divide your local disk C fast and easy. So what you need to do is to just follow me step by step on how you can divide the local disk C. As you see here, it has 223 GB free. So I'm going to show you how you can divide this local disk C fast and easily. Firstly, just move out and then come here into the bottom left corner, then right click. Then after you right click, come onto the run, then click on run. After that, just type disk mgmt.msc, then click OK after finishing writing that. So make sure that it has opened the disk management settings. Now the next step, what I'm going to do is to click on the disk in which you want to divide it or to partition it. So I'm going to click on the local disk C. I'm going to right click on local disk C. Then after right clicking, make sure that you scroll down and click on shrink volume. So this process may take some time, a little bit, until to shrink the space. So after the process is done, now what I'm going to do is to enter the amount of the disk you want to shrink. Maybe I need to shrink only 10 GB. So remember that 10 GB is equal to 1000 MB. I mean 1 GB is equal to 1000 MB. So here I'm going to put 10,000 MBs in which they are equal to 10 GBs. Then I'm going to click on shrink. Also, the shrinking process will take some time, a little bit. Now it is only done. As you see, we have 9.77 GB unlocated. So I'm going to right click on this 9.77 GB which is unlocated. I'm going to right click, then I'm going to click on new simple volume. Then I'm going to open a new pop-up window. Then I'm going to click on next. Then I'm going to create a new volume, click next. Then I'm going to assign any letter to this new volume. Maybe I need this volume to be letter T. Then I'm going to click on next. Then I'm going to click on next once again. Then I'm going to click on finish. So I'm going to wait for a little time. Now it is formatting. Now it is done. As you see, we have a new volume T. It is now done. Here is our new volume T. As you see, here is our new volume T. It is now already done, being created a new volume. So that's how to create a new volume in a